Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'll show you 3 winning Walmart items to dropship. The first thing I do, I check out Walmart brands and I choose one of them. For example, I chose Mainstays, and then I go to ZIK Analytics right here and the product research, and then I put Mainstays. And when I look down, I always look for products with double check here with the Walmart logo and the check. And this is how I make my research. So these are the products that I found for you. First one is a storage organizer, right? And then you have this one right here, Mainstays 9 cube storage organizer, and has been sold 6 times in the last 30 days for $79.99. And once you open here the item finder, ZIK finds this for you, and the price is $44.97, which makes a profit of $23. Remembering that products above $30 from Walmart receives free shipping. So this is a good profit right here, margin. Let's move to the next product that I found, which is these commercial vacuum sealer machines. As you can see, the sell-through rate is quite high, above 300%, and the total sale earnings the last 30 days was $12,000, and the average product price is $41. And then you scroll down here, you see there's a lot of drop shippers. We can filter out by drop shippers only. And then we can see there's a lot of drop shippers selling these products, so demand is high. For example, this one right here, this item has sold 37 times the last 30 days. It has sold 155 times. This one, since it was listed, this one right here has been sold more than 1,000 times as well. You scroll down here and you see good opportunities. So let's just choose one of them here. This one, commercial vacuum sealer. If you click it, it will directly take to the eBay listings, right? So it's been selling for $75. And then we open the item finder and we can see the same product in Walmart, let's see, for $51. Right now it's out of stock. That's how the demand is. So this is a product to keep in mind, all right? Please keep in mind. And of course, you can scroll down here and you can find similar products and take advantage as well of these offers that we have here at Walmart. Take your time to research a little bit more about these vacuum sealer machines in Walmart and list them to your store. I'm sure you will be able to make some nice profit out of it. The third product is Mainstays Black Frame. And then you have many options of sizes, right? But this one I chose is 11 inches by 14 inches. And you see the sell-through 89%, average product price $13. And let me show you why this is a good product. For example, we have this drop shipper here. Let's just focus on drop shippers. So we have this drop shipper here, and he has sold this item 13 times the last 30 days and 106 times since it was listed. Right, and once we click here in the item finder, check it out. We see that he's buying the product for $3.64. And once you click here to Walmart's website, and then of course you can always see different sizes and study a bit more about these items. Always keep an eye for certain promotions and offers and things like that. And I am sure that you will be able to make some profit out of it. But all these products that I've showed you right here, they're evergreen products. There's demand throughout the year. So that's it. And before I go, please, if you're selling from Walmart, if you want to dropship from Walmart, take a look at their brands. And this is a really good starting point for research to find great products with great profit margin. And if you like this video, please leave the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep moving forward and see you next time.